Hey guys, today we're going to be talking about Zazzle. I've done a few videos about Zazzle in the past. It's one of the passive income streams that I'm trying to grow. And lately I've been making a lot of sales on face mask and puzzles. So I'm going to show you a little bit of those earnings today. So these are the sales that I've made in the past month. So I'll show you a couple of things. This is one of the puzzles. That's been a really popular one. Another one. And this is one of the face masks. So I think these have been so popular because everyone is stuck at home, and a lot of people have been getting into putting puzzles together with their families. And face masks are something that everyone needs right now. And a lot of people prefer to have like a fun face mask with a design or something cute, something to make it a little more interesting than just the drab face mask that you could get at the hospital. So today I'm going to be showing you how to create a face mask and post it for sale on Zazzle so that you can start to grow a little income stream of your own, and it can be something that can really help people and make a difference. So if you haven't already, you'll need to create a store on Zazzle. Show you how to do that. Sign in, and you'll go down to create new account. This is where you'll put in your information, and you'll want to select designer account when you sign up for that. So once you get to your account, you'll go to My Stores, and then you'll go to open a new store if you don't already have one, and just follow the instructions there for getting your store set up. And once you're in your store, you'll want to go to create a product. That will bring you here, and then just type face mask. And this one usually works the best for me with getting the designs to fit the way I want. So you'll go here and you'll go add an image, and you can use a photograph of your own if you want. If you have like a pretty vacation photo or just anything that you think would be interesting on here. Or if you don't have a photo of your own that you can use, you can go to the website Pixabay, and I just typed in cute pattern and brought up all of these. I thought it would be fun to make a face mask for kids, just something that would make it a little less scary for them to have to wear it out all the time. And I chose this little paw print. So once you are here, you go to free download, and I always pick the biggest download. I find if I pick a smaller one, it can cause issues with sizing it to the item that you're trying to create. So I've already downloaded that, and you would just click upload image, and then you would pick the image from your computer. So we will put this here, and it's already filled the entire space. So we'll select done, and you can see how it would look. This is cute. And so now we just select sell it. and you create a title. I'm just going to do paw print. And then it selects the department for you. Well, it suggests it. And once you click that, it automatically adds cloth face mask to your title. And you have to do a description. It doesn't have to be anything too elaborate. There, so we'll scroll down. And you can choose how you want the product to appear. And choose which view you want. I like this one. There. And you can select categories that the item fits into. Just going to select for anyone. Store category. Oops. I'm just going to select new product. And this is where you can add tags to help people find your product. And if you're doing 2 words or 2 or more words, you have to put quotations around them. So otherwise, they would do separate tags, and you don't want that. So face mask. And it's suitable for anyone. And I usually always do 5% royalty. That's the minimum that you can do. And apparently on this product, it's also the maximum you can do. And so for every one of these that sell, you'll earn a 65-cent commission. And I know that doesn't sound like a lot, but it really adds up when you think that this can be sold multiple times. And you're not doing most of the work. Zazzle is doing most of the work with creating the product and shipping it and doing all the customer service. You're just the designer. So that's not a bad price for how long it took us to create this. So you post it. Oh, and we forgot something. There. Let's try that again. Okay, so our product has been submitted for approval, and usually it doesn't take more than a day for items to get approved, but for some reason with face mask, it's been taking longer than that, like a few days. So be prepared for a little bit of a wait, but once it gets approved, it'll be in your store, and you can start earning passive income from it. So this is a face mask that I made a little while ago, and I just want to mention that I highly, highly recommend, after your face mask has been approved, going to it in your store and sharing it on Pinterest, because that is where a lot of my sales have come from. You can share it on these other social media as well, but Pinterest is really one of the most useful as far as getting sales. So I hope you found this video useful, and please hit that subscribe button if you would like to learn more ways to earn money from home. Thank you.